So guys, now I'm going to change a tire with Lucioli system. So what is Lucioli? So that is a super thick 7mm tube from Brazil. So what is really special about this tube? So this is a valve for the air, so almost like normal one. And what is special on the tube, the rim locks are built on. So I never before seen this system. Yeah, I tested it before 2 years. I was really happy, and my friend is using it for 2 years now, and he didn't had a flat tire with it. So this system has about, I think, 300 hours, and for him it was working really fine. So when I tested this system, I didn't like it when you need to change the tires. So it was really pain to remove the tires. For install it, it was something complicated, but not too much. But with really hard tires, to remove it, it was really pain. So I'm going now to remove the tire. I'm not going to record the process. I don't have the stand for the phone, so I can record the video. So when I remove the tire, I'm going to show you how the system is looking after like 300 hours. So I'm not really sure what I can inspect inside. Maybe it's getting broken on the rim locks, because I think on few Luciolis I have seen it breaks on the rim locks. Maybe it's the problem because people make it too tight here. So yeah, let's remove it. Wish me luck. So this is the condition of the system. So for my surprise, it's looking almost new. So I did a full inspection and I didn't find anything what is looking bad. So also on the rim locks, it looks really fine. What I have feel, the system now is more soft, and when it's new, the system is really harder. And yeah, some guys are telling the rubber is starting to peeling off, but for my surprise, this is looking amazing. So yeah, this is the system. So when you fill it with air, it's not expanding with like normal tube. So it's staying like on this shape, and because it's so big, you see, it's hard to mount it. So you have two options, two ways to mount. So one way is to mount it like tubeless system, mount it on the wheel, and then put everything on the tire. And the second way is to put the like mousse. So put the tube inside the tire and then everything with on the wheel. So the both ways are super hard. So for one man, it's super hard. So because of that, I don't like this system. For changing the tires, it's totally piece of, you know what I mean. So now let's remove the system from the wheel and inspect the inside. So this is how the system is looking from inside, and the most people get problems on the rim locks, but I think the problem is they make it too tight and they pull this rim lock out. So too tight make it just problems. So I think from my experience, so this screw is holding just the tube from not spinning. That's my experience, because this is not like normal rim lock. It holds the tire, but not really like rim lock. So also this has a metal inside. So yeah, the system is really bulletproof. For hobby riding, I think the system is amazing. And yeah, I think for the experts, this system is not the best. Maybe to have it like spare wheel with this system, but to have it for racing, changing the tires, wasting the time with this, I think it's not for the money. So, but for hobby riders, this system is amazing. So $300 and it's looking like new. So now I'm going to install a X-Grip Jag gripper. I think it's medium or medium plus. Yeah, wish me luck, because it's going to be hell. So removing old tire, it was not easy for me. To be honest, I needed 10 minutes. And yeah, it was not easy. So I hope the installation is going to be more easy. So I'm going to put it inside the tire and then everything on the wheel. So now the system is inside the tire and it's looking similar to the Moose. Only what is the difference? Rim lock, valve. And that is helped to put it inside the wheel. And yeah, the tire is harder, system is big, hard. Yeah, I don't like this installation, so for me it's totally hell to do it. So if you had this system, please comment what you think about installation and changing the tires. So at my surprise, it was not the hardest. So maybe because the system is now more soft than it was new. So now the tire is off the rim, like on the tubeless system, on left and the right side. So I need to install the tire on the wheel and that's finished. So now when I have the tire and system, everything on the wheel, so still I didn't inflate the tube. So I didn't make these rim locks too tight. Also not the valve. So I'm going to fill everything with the air, then release it and then fill it again. And then I'm going to make everything tight. But be careful, don't make it too tight, because it's not important. It's a bulletproof system, strong. So it's just important so it's not sliding inside and it's not possible. So yeah. Then when I inflate it, I'm going to show you how the tire is on the ground. So yeah guys, that's it. So the system is good after like 300 hours. Yeah, it's feeling really soft now. It has about 0.2 bars. It's really soft. I think I need to fill it on the 0.3, 0.4, and it's going to be perfect. So this is a wheel from my friend, so he's going to test it. And yeah, if you had this system, please comment what you think about it. And if you have any ideas I can record in the future, please comment. So yeah, see you to the next time.